formations.
You're looking at Richards Bay playing a 4-2-3. Orlando Pirates on the other side, they'll play a 4-3-3 formation. What will be key would...
Times in a row to match a feat achieved only by the legendary Buccaneers side. I asked Tomuta to reiterate his thoughts on whether it should have been a red or not. But did escape with only a yellow as Orlando Pirates went on to win that game, courtesy of a terrific free kick from Kabelo Dlamini, who's on the bench today.
Good counter press from Orlando.
Gets it clear. Played one game in the Nedbank Cup last season. That was in that 4-0 win over Hungry Lions, as Mofokeng is sized down by a man who's already on a yellow card. So Tsivaza Mabasa is immediately making a case for a dismissal here.
Nippy feet, quick thinking. Gets to the ball first, mistimes it.
And the Pirates are taking it quickly. Maswanganyi! Oh, he's brought down in the area. Alfred Chabani waves away the appeals. And in fact, he's gone over to book Maswanganyi.
Good combination plays from a quick free kick from Tito. Finds Rile Mofokeng, good interchange. Sells the dummy to Mabua.
Sundwana delivered in with the outside of his boots, but far too close to. There's a suspension risk ahead of the derby, because Natsipisi will be back from suspension. Maha Nkota gets the better of Ndaba. Slightly behind Mofokeng. You know he can make magic happen from anywhere. Oh, so can he! Patrick Maswanganyi from outside the area sticks it past Otieno. Orlando Pirates midway through the opening period have the advantage.
For me, the ball over the top is the persistence of Moha Nkota. Is the never die attitude from Nkota to say, I'll get there, I'll fight for the ball. The cut back to find Rile Mofokeng. It's Tito's late run into the box to be able to receive. It's a difficult opportunity to take for Tito Maswanganyi. Third goal of the season in all competition. For me, is the work that is done by Moha Nkota to be able to give that cut back to find Rile Mofokeng. He waits and waits for Tito.
Mofokeng. Oh, it's so clever from Mofokeng, and it's a second for Maswanganyi. The same two players combined, and Orlando Pirates look like they are running away with it.
The crowd goes with Tito. But for me, is the work that has been done by Kinder Joy, is the work that has been done by Cocomelon. Tito Maswanganyi is just putting the icing on the cake. The work from Moha Nkota to slow down and wait for Rile Mofokeng. Good work by Makaula. Look at Nkota. He waits, finds Rile.
Dube is looking cautious whenever Mofokeng's up again. Bofundaba does get the cross in. Motlame! Oh, he's hit the woodwork. Almost reduced the arrears, did Richards Bay.
The counter press does not go well from Orlando Pirates. They get out of the press, that is Richards Bay. Good dummy play, second dummy play is the sheer effect for me. Masome should be getting that in the back of the net. Gumede does well.
Motlame, option on his outside. Gumede, first time cross in. Oh, and then not nearly enough behind that from Sundwana, who wasn't under all too much pressure either. Just snatched at it. Needed to take more care.
He needs to be scoring goals in Sundwana. It's on his favorite.
Now Gumede. Spotting some options. The acrobatic effort from Motlame is wide.
He might not be testing the goalkeeper enough, but I'm loving the late runs. Gumede positive, driving Richards Bay forward. The excellent positioning that comes from Motlame, always positioning himself in between.
Waited to announce the date of the draw for the quarterfinals as Sundwana is beaten to it by Buthelezi, who gets a blow to his head for his troubles.
Good ball blow from Tlakusani Mthethwa. I don't think there's anything malicious. Yes, there is contact with the head.
Gumede getting the better of Hotto. Immediately takes a strike. Follow-up from Butuma. Flag stays down. Richards Bay catching Pirates cold 2 minutes after the resumption of the match. And now we do have a game on our hands.
Goal number 4 in all competitions for Butuma. He has been knocking all afternoon. Gumede on the right-hand side. Good tussle with Dion Otto. He wins that second phase.
Palming that towards him, that's precisely what happened. He was born not so far from here, was of the national occasions. Oh, that's rolled brilliantly in the path of Gumede again, and he cuts it back unselfishly. It's just behind.
To the front. This is a transitional opportunity. It's 3 versus 2 in that moment. Butuma's first touch, that should be 2-all. Mothambe starting the attack on the left-hand side. Gumede has been a thorn in this defense of Orlando Pirates.
Keeps possession. Gumede. Flogo! Oh! Ruffled the roof of the nets.
Good attitude. Good positional play. Good field occupation. Gumede, the late run from Musongo to receive just in the pocket between Makaula and also the 2 centre-backs. Unlucky not to get on target. The tactical switch.
The season. Maswanganyi doing what Maswanganyi does, although that's not his best work. Tlakusani Mthethwa from Butuma. Still in Butuma. And a deflection. Just wide. Well, they could have gone differently. In fact, the initial ball from Mthethwa was actually intended for Motlame, and then there was an opportunity to pass to him as well from Butuma.
Great attitude from Richards Bay. Good pressing. Butuma. Decision making. Do you go left? Do you go right? Do you go yourself for that shot? A little bit selfish for me. I thought you could have used Kutu.
It's first reports on a change here for Orlando. Baimbata. Maswanganyi asking too much there. Mapasa, who continues to go. Takapasa Mapasa! Oh, saved by Otieno is brilliant.
Frustration on Sekgofatso Mabasa. He says, I want that goal. Good relationship to see that Tito with that delightful ball. But Mabua again taking his eyes off the game. He only lasts 74 minutes in this game. Captain Fantastic in Mayela is about to come on. It's a straight swap. One.
Minutes to go. They've actually taken the free kick quickly. Mabasa! And the nerves evaporate in the closing seconds as Orlando Pirates get their third. A man whose first ever goal in the Nedbank Cup came against Richards Bay 6 years ago, gets another against the Natal Rich boys.
I'm tempted to say goal number 9 in all competitions, because the other one against the CAF, against Al Ahly, we're not sure about. One of my colleagues watching, Thomas Mulambo, says the goal was granted to Mabasa. A delightful pass coming from Dlamini. The understanding between the two.